Hey everyone, my name is Chef Chris Bailey. We're making a Dover Sole Brandade today. This is just like straight comfort food. Today we're using about a half pound of a really nice local Dover sole fillet, and we're gonna start our preparation by actually just lightly poaching it in heavy cream and a little garlic. About a half pound of cooked yellow skinned potato. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of lemon juice, about half teaspoon of lemon zest, just grated, one good pinch of nutmeg, ground. And so here we have that poaching liquid. Again, it's cream, it's garlic. It's becoming a little bit more homogenized, just a shaved pecorino cheese. And this is a good place to, if you want to keep seasoning it to taste, go for it. Just try a little. Take our chunks of beautiful Dover sole and just start breaking them in. And I'm going for something a little bit more rustic. Big chunks, small chunks, medium-sized chunks of sole throughout. It's just such a beautiful fish. I want to be kind of surprised along the way. Generous sprinkling of this cheese atop. Go right on the top rack. Some chopped chives. Yeah, everything is so hot, but I can't wait any longer. Oh. Oh my God, it was so worth it.